What if I told you the future is already here? From robot doctors to flying cars, these 10 crazy tech predictions for 2025 actually came true. Let's count them down. Number 10, AI doctors. Imagine walking into a hospital and your doctor is a robot. Sounds crazy. In 2025, AI diagnoses diseases faster than humans with 99% accuracy. No more waiting for test results. Just scan, analyze, bam, you're cured. Would you trust a robot doctor? Comment below. Number 9, flying cars. Remember when people said, "Where's my flying car?" Well, guess what? They're here. Companies like Aleph finally got approval, and traffic jams, a thing of the past. Morning commute in 2025. More like morning takeoff. Buckle up, future pilots. Number 8, mind-controlled gaming. Put down your controller, just think, and your character moves. Thanks to headsets like Neuralink, Fortnite just got telepathic. No more blaming lag now. You can blame your thoughts for losing. Game over or game change. Number 7, 3D printed food. Star Trek replicators are real. Want pizza? Print it. Chocolate? Print it. A 5-star steak? Print it. The best part, no dishes. Just hit delete when you're done. Future chefs, rise up. Number 6, your mirror is now a health coach. It checks your heart rate, stress levels, even your skin. You look tired. Gee, thanks, mirror. But hey, no more guessing if you're sick or just really lazy. Would you want a mirror that judges you? Honest answers only. Number 5, robot pets. They look real, act real, but never die. Perfect for pet lovers who hate, well, responsibility. No fur, no allergies, no walkies at 3 a.m. Just endless cuddles on demand. Would you replace Fluffy with a robot? Be honest. Number 4, AI that reads your emotions. Bad day. Your AI assistant tones down its chirpiness. Excited? It hypes you up like a best friend. No more "I'm sorry, I didn't understand," that just tech that gets you. Creepy, maybe. But hey, at least someone finally listens. Number 3, self-healing concrete. Roads that fix themselves. Potholes? Gone. Cracks? Magic. Tiny bacteria fill gaps automatically, saving cities millions. Finally, a government project that actually works. Take notes, world. Number 2, AR contact lenses. Texts, maps, even Netflix floating right in your eyeballs. No phone, no glasses, just cyber vision. Boss staring at you in a meeting. No problem, just watch cat videos in your eyes. Productivity level, hacked. Number 1, quantum internet. Hack-proof internet. Quantum encryption makes passwords obsolete. Hackers? Out of a job. Your data? Locked in a science fiction vault. Finally, privacy that even Zuckerberg can't touch. Which prediction shocked you most? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.